You are believing in cosmos. You are believing in nature. How I am telling that one must witness what all is happening within. In reverse, the universe is also witnessing you in the same way what all you are doing here, what you are thinking, what emotions that you are going through, what feelings, what energies that you are carrying here with your existence. Everything is witnessed. Everything is getting channeled by the energy, by the cosmos. So you ask what you want, that will come close to you. What you think, that comes. What you pray, that comes. With what you meditate, that comes. That's simple, the law of universe. So just believe in it. More you believe, more easy it is. The life, all your energy, invest on your belief. And I'm telling simply, believe in yourself. That's simple our philosophy is. You see how easy our philosophy is? How transparent? I'm telling, believe in yourself, believe in yourself, believe in yourself. Invest your energy there, invest your energy there, invest your energy there. That's it. When more you invest, this energy will help you to be that better person. The quality of life here, if you want, then start investing on your existence by giving the positive thoughts to it, by telling, I am the truth and it is my life. Just repeat that, because each and every thought, don't forget, it is energy only. When you are thinking means you are already spending your energy, that energy on what you are thinking, towards to that energy is going. So then be wise. Think only about you, about your good things, about your talents, about your channeling, about your meditations, about your existence. Invest on that only. That's how the ordinary man will become extraordinary. Believe is everything. When you believe in yourself, the world comes to your feet.